In this video, I'm going to show you how to motion track objects using Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up Capcut, and I'm going to choose a new project. And now I'm going to choose this guy kicking a soccer ball and click add. Now, in order to track this soccer ball, we need to click onto the video, scroll down, scroll left to right, and look for an option called camera tracking. And then from here, click on camera tracking again, and then it will say select tracking subject. So we got face, body, hands, or custom. So we need to choose a custom. Mind you, this is a pro feature inside Capcut. So if you want to try Capcut Pro free for 7 days, free 7-day trial, I will leave a link in the description below. Now, once that is been said and done, we need to click onto custom, and then with this blue box here, we're going to hover over the object. In this case, it's the soccer ball, and then go ahead and click on track. So this is going to track that soccer ball as the guy kicks it across the field. And now if I go ahead in adjust, I can fit this to canvas if I like, or I can make it keep the same size. We can lock object size if we want and blur canvas, so you can have a play around with that. And then once you've done that, click the tick, and then if I press play, it's going to track this ball as he kicks it across the soccer field. Once that is done, you can go ahead and export your video. You can make sure the quality is high, so I'm going to choose say 2K, then click export to export that video to your camera roll, and then from there you can upload it to your socials, send it to your friends and family, etc.